Swetark Real Estate Fund for investors. The smarter way to invest in Indian real estate. Don't buy a property, buy a portfolio. For generations, direct real estate investment has been the go-to strategy for building wealth in India. You identify a project, negotiate with a developer, and register a property in your name. But this traditional path is fraught with complexity, high costs, and significant risk. The game has changed. Today, there is a smarter, safer, and more strategic way to capture the growth of Indian and global real estate. Through alternative investment funds, AIF, managed by seasoned professionals. At Swetark, we don't just offer an investment, we offer a superior framework for wealth creation. The direct investor's dilemma. Why the old model is broken. If you've invested directly before, you'll recognize 7 challenges. 1. The illiquidity trap. Your investment is locked in until the project is complete, which can take years. If you need to exit early, it's nearly impossible without taking a substantial loss. There is no secondary market for a single apartment in an unfinished building. 2. The high-cost barrier. Before you even see a return, you lose 12 to 20% of your capital to stamp duty, registration, and GST. This massive upfront cost destroys your initial equity and requires the property value to skyrocket just for you to break even. 3. The concentration risk. Putting a large sum into a single asset, in a single building, in a single location is incredibly risky. If that specific project faces delays, legal issues, or a market downturn, your entire investment suffers. 4. The valuation nightmare. What is your apartment worth while the building is still under construction? There is no transparent, fair way to determine its value for a potential part exit or to bring in a partner. This leads to disputes and guesswork. 5. The lack of security and leverage. Your primary security is the property registration, but if the project stalls, you own an unfinished asset with limited recourse. This asset is also illiquid collateral, meaning you cannot easily leverage it for other opportunities. 6. The management headache. Dealing with builders, overseeing progress, handling legal paperwork, and finding tenants post-completion is a time-consuming job that requires expertise. 7. Missing the global growth story, a critical point. Due to FEMA regulations, as an individual Indian investor, you have no easy way to participate in global real estate markets. Similarly, your capital cannot be part of large-scale, institutional-grade Indian projects that are often funded through sophisticated structures. The Swetark advantage. Invest like an institution. Why should large institutions and wealthy families enjoy all the advantages? With Swetark's AIF platform, you can too. We pool capital from investors like you to create a diversified portfolio of premium real estate assets. Here's how investing with Swetark protects and grows your wealth with 6 solid solutions. 1. Instant diversification, reduced risk. Instead of betting on one project, your investment is spread across a carefully selected portfolio of residential, commercial, and infrastructure assets. This mitigates risk and smooths out returns. 2. Dramatically lower entry costs. As a unit holder in the fund, you avoid the massive 12 to 20% stamp duty and registration costs. Your entire capital works harder for you from day one. 3. Professional management and due diligence. Swetark is founded by 50-plus chartered accountants with other elite professionals. Our team of experts handles everything: sourcing deals, conducting legal checks, monitoring construction, and managing assets. You benefit from institutional-grade scrutiny without the hassle. Refer our Swetark Business Ecosystem presentation, How We Secure Your Investment and Get Better Return for Our Investors from Direct Business Investments. 4. Transparent valuation and liquidity. Our AIF operates on a NAV, Net Asset Value system, providing regular, transparent valuations of the entire portfolio. While AIFs are long-term vehicles, this structure allows for clearly defined entry and exit points for investors, bringing a level of liquidity unimaginable in direct property ownership. 5. Access to institutional-grade deals. We invest in projects often unavailable to retail investors. Large commercial developments, warehousing, or integrated townships that promise stable long-term yields. 6. Unlock global opportunities through GIFT IFSC. Our unique edge, Swetark's presence in GIFT IFSC, allows us to offer strategies that include access to global real estate assets, diversifying your holdings beyond India, all within a regulated, tax-efficient framework. Why Swetark? Your partner in strategic wealth creation. Swetark Group of companies are founded by 50-plus chartered accountants with other elite professionals. We are the world-class professions and best in world to serve financial services. We are not just fund managers, we are your fiduciaries. Our success is tied to yours. We are regulated by SEBI for domestic AIF and the IFSCA for global strategies, ensuring the highest standards of governance and transparency. Stop dealing with the headaches of direct ownership. It's time to upgrade your investment strategy. Join us. Move from being a property owner to a portfolio investor. Contact Swetark today to discover how our AIF solutions can help you build real estate wealth the smart way. Swetark Real Estate Fund for Investors is the invitation to the future, your gateway to institutional real estate investing. Swetark, the Indian International Organization. Join us.